Hi everyone. Welcome to NC Code Vent Systems. Today, we are introducing our Smart Employee Locker System, a secure and user-friendly solution for workplaces. This system features 20 lockers, a display for user interaction, CCTV surveillance, a webcam for added security, and built-in charging sockets to charge your laptops and mobiles. Our Employee Smart Locker system is fully customizable based on users' requirements, including locker size, security features, and additional functionalities. The lockers come in 3 categories: small, medium, and large, and booked lockers are clearly marked as booked. How it works? Booking a locker is simple. Select a locker from the display screen. Enter your employee ID for authentication. Verify the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Once verified, the locker door opens and a passcode is sent to your phone. Store your belongings such as laptops, mobiles, headphones and more, close the door, and your locker is booked securely. Our system offers 2 essential functions: open and release. To open, enter your employee ID and passcode to unlock your assigned locker. To release, when you are done, click Release, remove your items, and free up the locker. After release, it will come to available state. Our Employee Smart Locker system is perfect for corporate offices, factories and warehouse, hospitals and healthcare centers, hotels and resorts. Let's look into our other products.